Hey y'all, Yvebelize, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I'm here sipping on some green tea. The star of the show today is my gel and my brush. I'm not going to use any leave-in conditioner. This is going to be a one product wash and go, but I'm using the Denman brush. It simply gets the curls really defined and it's a much tighter look. Detangling with my comb first so that the brush can easily go through my hair. This video was so much fun. You see how beautiful and tight and juicy these curls are just by simply brushing them in. It is amazing. It's really tight. They're so juicy looking. They are perfect. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video and you found value in the video, hit the subscribe button and Eve will see you in the next video.